Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, more beautiful, more gorgeous collection of women beautiful crochet scarf designs, flower scarf designs, beautiful designing ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts, new designs, new ideas for you. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of scarf designs, beautiful scarf designs. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of women beautiful crochet scarf designs. Latest uploading ideas for you, stylish ladies. In this my video, you can see. If you want to buy these very beautiful scarf designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, epy.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Beautiful color combination contrasts. You can make these very beautiful scarf designs for you. If you know crochet work, you can wear these very beautiful scarf designs in the birthday party, wedding party, casual use with your matching dress designs, matching scarf designs, matching shoes designs, stylish ideas. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can see very attractive and stylish crochet ideas in this my channel. You can visit my channel. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.